What motorcycle is that?
Ninja!
Ah, ninja! Diba guys, yun yung inner child ko na pangarap ko. Dating-dati pa talaga. Talagang hindi ko kaya. Say hi! Nakuha na natin yung unit. Eto na, nag-change vehicle kami guys.
We're gonna eat somewhere.
Wait, oh, wait.
We're gonna eat in Savvy.
Tell your friends where to eat.
Can we eat Sullivan's? We're gonna eat in Savvy.
Oh! What?
We're hungry.
Ayan guys, nakuha na natin yung unit.
Yes.
Napakaganda guys, napakakinis, ayos yung loob, napaka-smooth. Okay, so ito yung DA64. Ito yung test buy natin. Okay, testing muna to. Kung tingnan natin kung gaano to yung performance nito. Pero sa ngayon, yung impression namin sa ngayon. What's your impression?
Nice.
Excited to drive.
Excited to drive.
Kasi ito yung magiging ano ko.
Test run.
Test run, tsaka dito ako.
Bago siya maisa lang kay George.
Nice.
Ayaw niya akong pahawakin kay George. At unless alam ko na daw mag-drive.
So dito muna siya magpa-practice. Kasi yung nose niya, yung harapan niya is ano lang, yung difference. So napakadali yung handling.
Tsaka maliit lang.
Maliit lang pagka parking. So
Good to pang ano sa mga bata.
yes, suitable sa kanya na mag-drive. Tapos family wise, sa likod napaka-spacious. Diba? So spacious guys.
And we're gonna have
So-
a castle.
What?
A castle.
Okay.
Alright, sige drive ka na. Mamaya ka na mag-ano.
Okay, so kakalikutin ko to mamaya pag ano. So gagawin namin, drop by muna kami kay mama. So doon muna kami sa kabilang bahay. Doon kami magte-test ride. Okay, kasi ano lang doon, safe to drive kumbaga. Alright guys, see you later. And abangan nyo guys, yung ninja, paparating na. Hey, a bit story guys ha.
But
Yung
do you want to come with us to Savvy?
Okay. A bit story guys, yung ninja ayaw pa niya dati na bumili ako. Ginawa ko, bumili ako muffler, nauna yung
we're
muffler.
going to-
Nung dumating yung muffler, no choice na siya.